Greetings, my name is Chris Zirkle and I'm going to show you a couple of Adobe applications that may be beneficial to you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and Google Adobe Creative Cloud. When you find that in the Google listings, go ahead and click on that and open up the Adobe Creative Cloud website. On the top right hand side, you will see where it says sign in. You're going to want to sign in with your Google credentials. I'm already signed in, so I logged right into Adobe. You may be asked to log into your Wake ID portal. If so, go ahead and go through those steps. Once you're in, you'll notice that it says Adobe Creative Cloud Enterprise. We want to make sure it says Enterprise and that you are, in fact, logged in with your Wake County email address, which you can check by clicking on the profile at the top. The very first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Install Desktop application. You'll go through the steps of installing it, and then once it's installed, it'll appear on your actual desktop. On your desktop, you're going to see right here this little Adobe Creative Cloud application launcher. You'll click on that. I already have a lot of programs installed on my desktop, so you can install these on your laptop, desktop. Ones I want to point out to you: Photoshop, if you're into editing photos. Illustrator is for basically graphic arts. Adobe Acrobat DC is what we're going to be using for our PDFs, especially to sign PDFs. And you can also see that you have InDesign, which is EPUB, which is like creating books and magazines and various publications. Lightroom is for photography editing. Premiere Pro is for video editing, which is going to be more complex video editing, versus Premiere Rush would be your entry-level video editor. If you're just starting with video editing, I would recommend Premiere Rush. After Effects is graphic animation. Lightroom is another version of Lightroom, but this is a classic. This is the one I use. This is not the light version. This is the full version. Character Animator, you can create animations with a variety of puppets. And you have your media encoder. Here are some applications I do not have installed. For example, Audition, which is for audio editing. I'm familiar with most of these programs. If there's something here that you feel you're interested in, contact your local DLC. You can also see what's available on your mobile applications. So for example, we do have Premiere Rush is available on a mobile device, as well as the fill and sign. So you can fill and sign right there on your smartphone or your tablet. You can also scan in PDFs and use the whiteboard application right there on your device as well. As you can see here, I've signed my teleworking activity log using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. What you'll do is you'll click on Fill and Sign. The first time you go through that, you need to go through the steps to set up your signature. Once you get your signature and maybe even your initials like I have created, then what you would do is basically just drag and drop those wherever you need them to be. If you need a more formal signature, you can use just the option above, which is Adobe Sign. Click on the option above, Adobe Sign, and that's a little bit more of a formal way of signing with a timestamp. So that's how you can sign two ways using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.